Alright guys, welcome back to Truck Rebuild episode 3, 2? It's supposed to be number 3. I filmed a full episode that I was calling number 2, or which would have been number 2. And all the footage is gone. Okay, not gone, but it will not let me upload it onto the editing program I use on my iPad. So therefore I can't edit it. I was gonna upload it today, because today is Saturday when I'm filming this, and it was actually the episode that I filmed about removing the whole lift kit, the whole front end part of the lift kit, to get it all repainted and to replace a bunch of suspension parts. But lift kit's sitting there, and there's no video up today. But it is what it is. My brother Dan, who is way smarter than I am with computers and tech and stuff, and files, because he works with them all every day, and not necessarily video files, but design and computer files, so he knows way more than I do. He tried, and it still isn't working. So we're gonna try again this week sometime to fix that, so that we can upload that another week, and it'll just be backwards, but whatever. It is what it is. Today we are going to be painting some of the suspension parts. Some of them that aren't getting painted white, I'm just gonna paint here, just gloss black, because the whole under the truck is supposed to be just gloss black and white. And the white is actually properly color matched to the truck this time. Last time it was just some spray balm white. Now I actually have it properly painted. My painter at an auto body shop, color matched to the truck, Olympic white, which same as the interior. That beautiful interior right there is proper color match Olympic white to the truck. So that's getting done, and I'm going to be working on this. So I've got our struts out, well, the whole lift kit is gone, other than the drop brackets for the sway bar. That's still in, but whatever, we're just gonna keep that in. Well, and the drop brackets for the diff, because obviously the diff is still in there. But we are going to be sanding down and prepping the whole frame, the strut mounts, upper control arm. I'm not replacing these right now. I want to replace them with some heavier duty ones yet, but as of right now, I'm gonna leave them. Tie rod end, I have new ones. Struts, we got new struts right there, and we have some other new parts like the sway bar links and sway bar bushings. Also, we got new brake lines. These are getting replaced. Those are in the box with the new struts. All right, taking the fender liners out.
No.
There is 7mm bolt there, 7mm there, another 7mm here. There should be a clip there. There's not. As you can tell, these fender liners are beat up.
No.
There should also be a bolt here. And then there's a couple clips here, and then a couple more right there. So take out those clips, and then to push these through the other side there, and then we will be good to drop that liner. And then after that, we're gonna take the struts out. We now have both fender liners out, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out the struts. We got our 17mm socket here. That one bolt, all 3 upper strut bolts. Safety, #1 priority. Alright, day 2 of taking everything apart down there to get it ready for paint and painting. I now have driver's side, front part of the clip, frame clip, whatever you want to call it. Front clip, frame, we'll go with that. That's all painted, except for the cross members and the little frame horns on the front. Let's see if you guys can see it here. I'm gonna grab the light. There we go, that's better. So yeah, we got our gloss black all laid in there. Obviously, if you look there, the frame is not painted. From that point on, it will be getting done. I just want to get this part done right now so that next week I can put the lift back on. Alright, now that I have this much done, I also need to do the same thing on the other side. I'm having some issues actually with the other side. Yesterday when I was trying to take the strut off, that didn't go so well. Let me show you. So you can tell we got the 3 strut bolts. One back there, one here, and one there. You can probably also tell that those 2 there are loosened off. That one does not look like it is. See, here's the problem. I don't know if you can see it. No, you're not gonna see it. Okay, but if you look at this one here, see that right in the middle screen? That's the actual stud for this bolt, for this nut. Well, the problem with this other one in the back here is it's spinning with, and I have no way to get anything in there. I can't weld it on, I can't get a vice grip on there, nothing. I got no room. So what I'm going to end up doing today, well, pretty much right now, so I can actually get this strut off, to clean up the frame and get this side of the frame painted, is I'm just gonna cut it, and I'll just have to put a bolt back there and switch it to this one, move this one over there later, and end up putting a bolt in there or something. So I've decided that before I go ahead and start taking this side apart to get ready for paint, I want to paint, when I do paint this side, I figured I might as well do the front cross member, the factory cross member, and then the front. I figured I might as well do the front frame horns while I'm at it. So I'm going to take the whole front clip off pretty much. Grill, headlights, upper bumper cover, and the actual bumper. And then probably get a new bumper soon anyway, so it might just stay off. And then we can actually prep everything at once and get this whole thing done, hopefully today. Alright, so there we have it. Grill's out, headlights are out, bumper's off, and we are pretty much ready to start grinding away with the wire brush. This is what we are using, grinder with wire brush, and that's taking away, that's what's taking away all that garbage to make it clean and smooth like that. Yesterday when I painted here, I ended right here, and now I'm gonna finish there. And also clean up the front cross member there. Do that. This little support here. It's gonna look so good. So the other day, so yesterday, yeah, I think it was yesterday, I was gonna use the reciprocating saw and remove that, cut that back bolt off. Those other two are loosened off. This one is spinning with, and I can't get at it. So really my only option is cut it off, take these other two off, and then just put a bolt in it afterwards. It seems to be the only reasonable thing to do. So I have now got the proper blade. That should work because this one was way too short. This is how I couldn't actually get in there properly. This guy here, I think I should be able to do the job. Alright, I now finally have the whole frame ready for paint. Well, ready for primer, and after that, paint. It is now 8:30. I'm going to try to hammer out all the primer and paint tonight, and then tomorrow come back, unmask it, and start putting some things back together. I'm going to shoot some clips of me painting, and that's pretty much it for this episode. So, hope you enjoy those little clips. So now that I have the primer done, as you can tell here, primer is done. I'm gonna move on to laying my first coat of paint. It's just a gloss back. Yes, I'm doing spray can. I need to get this done quick. I've got work that has to be done in the garage, so I gotta get my truck out of here and thoroughly clean my garage. Alright guys, so I think that's going to be it for today's video. I've got it all painted, it's all done. I've got to wait for it to dry to unmask it, to really show how good it looks, and start putting things back together. But that's it, I'm calling it a day. I got to get this video up and edited and uploaded for tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'm going to continue with putting stuff back together and getting the lift ready for paint, and that will be the next video. So this will be to be continued. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!